Canon EOS M100 unboxing. We bought it from eBay store, and it cost to us $359.99 plus shipping cost around $39.99. Total $399.98. Now let's open the box. As usual, includes a warranty card and user manual. Includes Canon camera strap. And here is the compact camera. Are you a traveler in search of the perfect camera? This small and compact powerhouse features a 24.2 MP APS-C size CMOS sensor, ensuring you capture stunning images during your adventures. With dimensions of just 108.2 by 67.1 by 35.1 millimeters and weighing only 302 g, it's designed for easy portability without sacrificing quality. Charger. Canon EF M mount 15 to 45 mm f2.8 lens. Battery. Experience the advanced DIGIC processing and enjoy shooting full HD 60p videos for smoother, more realistic movies. Plus, with the 7.5 centimeters tiltable touchscreen, capturing selfies or unique angles has never been easier. Connect wirelessly via Wi-Fi, NFC, or Bluetooth to share your memories instantly. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.